Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing these Mighty Machines. Look, there are 3 Mighty Machines from Big Side. We have an excavator, a dump truck, and a cement truck. Let's open them up and check them out. Here's our dump truck. It also has slide-out stabilizers. It has a hook at the front. There's also exhaust pipes. And there's a lever. The lever raises and lowers the bed of the truck. You can also lift the cab to put figurines inside. Open the cab to put figurines inside. This one also has slide-out stabilizers. There's a ladder going up to the cement truck. Turn the lever and watch the cement roll. Here's our excavator. It runs on treads. You can open the cab to put a figurine inside. It turns around in a circle. You can also raise and lower the arm. It also scoops up. Wow, these Mighty Machines are awfully fun. Let's see them at the job site.
Hey, Jack. Hey, Charles. What you doing? Getting ready for work. It sure is a hot day today. Sure is, and sunny too. I'm glad I got my sunglasses on.
Yeah, no kidding. I wish I had remembered mine. They're still at home.
Oh no, that's horrible. Well, I'm sure you'll figure it out.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Well, what's our job today?
Oh, yeah. We gotta do something really fun. We need to clear out all sorts of dirt and make a path before the cement truck comes.
The cement truck? Yeah, can you believe it? We're building a road.
A road? Wow, that sounds like fun.
Yeah, let's get started.
No kidding, I'm ready to go. This is gonna be the best day ever.
Building sure is lots of fun.
So is working at the job site.
Okay, let's go.
I better extend my stabilizers. Perfect. Load me up. No problem, we got this. Looking good.
Well, we're done clearing the road.
Yeah, now we just need the cement truck to come in. Whew, that sounds like fun. I can't wait to see what they can do with this. I can't wait to drive on it. Woo, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be smoother than the dirt, that's for sure. No kidding. Well, I better go get in. Wait, you're driving it? Yeah, I don't have anything else to do. What about me? I want to drive it. Aw, come on. You have on sunglasses, and I really want to drive the cement truck. Please, 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 please. Okay, go ahead. Thanks.
I have to say, the road looks really good.
Thanks. It was lots of fun driving the cement truck. I can't wait to ride this one. I'm gonna go get in my dump truck. I'm gonna have to ride the cement truck. I can't take treads over this. This new fresh road is too beautiful for that. Sounds like a plan. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.